Hi, to start sharing your location with any contact on iPhone 16e, you need to find this Find My app first. So find and open this app, and then on the bottom of the display you should see this option Start Sharing Location. Once you clicked it, you can select any contact from your contacts list, or you can manually input phone number. So I'm gonna select a person and tap Send. Now we can choose for which period of time we wanna share location. For 1 hour until end of the day, and share it just forever. So let's pick for 1 hour. And here click to use this device when sharing location. Then you will see this message that you started sharing your location with this particular contact. And also here you'll see that this person can see your location. But you cannot see this person's location because you need to confirm it like that. So another person will receive this type of message that you started sharing your location with this person, and this person can immediately answer to share his location as well. So you can click here and choose to stop sharing location and then confirm. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.